Mrs.Remila, Assistant Professor, Science and Humanities Department, Emmanuel Arasar, JJ College of Engineering, Nattala. Now we discuss about a small topic, motions and oscillations. What is motion? When the position of the body in space changes with the time, the body is said to be motion. There are four types as translation motion, rotational motion, periodic motion, and finally oscillatory motion. The first one is translation motion. What is translation motion? We can see the picture. The car is moving on a straight road. If the position of the body varies linearly with the time, then the motion is said to be translation motion. The example, a car or train moving on a straight road, a ball moving on the ground. These are the examples of translation motion. Second one is rotational motion. What is rotational motion? If the position of the body as a whole does not change linearly, but it rotates the same position about an axis, this is called rotational motion. Examples are motion of earth about its axis, the rotation of flywheel on its ball bearing. The third one is periodic motion. What is periodic motion? If a body repeats its movement at a regular interval of time, its motion is said to be periodic. We can see the picture. This is a torsion pendulum, and the motion of the pendulum. The examples of periodic motion. The another example is motion of planets around the sun. Oscillations of the loaded spring. These are the examples. The fourth one is oscillatory motion. What is oscillatory motion? An oscillatory motion is one in which the body moves to fro repeatedly about the mean position. The examples of the oscillatory motions are motion of the pendulum, the oscillations of the loaded spring. Next topic is oscillations. What is oscillation? A repeated back and forth motion or fluctuation of the system around the equilibrium position. There are three types of oscillation: the free oscillation, damped oscillation, forced oscillations. What is first one is free oscillation. When a body is displaced from its equilibrium position and then released, it oscillates under the influence of restoring force with a definite frequency. Such vibration or such oscillations is called free oscillations. We can see the picture. Oscillations of the simple pendulum, sound produced by tuning fork in a short distance. These are the examples. Damped oscillation. The oscillation that decreases with the time is called damped oscillation. We can see the graph. The graph indicates the damped oscillation. The first picture indicates the examples of damped oscillation, a weight on a spring. Forced vibration. When a body oscillates with influence of external periodic force, it is called forced oscillation. We can see the picture. The examples of swing can kept in motion by giving constant periodic forces. Next, another example is soundboards of string instruments suffered forced vibration. These are the examples of forced vibration or forced oscillations. Thank you.